I'm a gatekeeper. You can't get to the hiring manager until you get past the recruiter. So in my mind, a data scientist day to day, they're doing stuff with data, right? You're cleaning it, you're studying it, you go to a lot of meetings, you send a lot of emails, and you create and maintain like these models, right? And so what are the skills that make it so that you can do those three things really well? Well, one, you have the ability to see bigger picture. That's that business acumen. So I really want to make sure that you can not only be a data nerd, you can also articulate how that impacts the business. And you're innovative. You're finding creative solutions to questions or problems that people might not even have identified yet. You're just that smart. You have the ability to communicate with other disciplines. You know, you need to be able to talk to me just as effectively as you can talk to your boss. You need to be able to, you know, in terms of machine learning, develop algorithms. Not really sure how that's done, but you should know how it's done. And then one big difference that I see, especially working with recruiters in the industry, is that the difference between somebody that they would consider for a data scientist versus a data analyst would be the level of mastery when it comes to your coding and languages abilities.